Hi, good morning, how are you? Today I am unboxing something new to this channel, but it's actually not a new box. This is another one of those that was sent to Chicago, and I have no idea what month it is, but it is different from every other box I have unboxed on my channel so far, and this is called Her Fit Club. And I like to think of this as monthly fitness motivation. So there's several plans available that contain fitness mostly, and then there's some beauty items as well you can have the option of choosing. I think mine is fully fashion, but we'll see what's inside. But I like getting cute workout clothes because I find that I work out a lot more and I'm more likely to put those clothes on. And when I put those clothes on, I am definitely more likely to work out. So I think it's a great idea for anyone looking for a little bit of motivation. There's 5 different plans available for this, starting at $28.99, I believe, and there's like a Premier Max that goes up to over $100. You get there's a wide price range, so you can find what works for you. Anyways, I am gonna get unboxing, and at the end of the video, I will give 2 sneak peeks for the giveaway, which is ending super soon. So I think when this video goes up, there's only about 3 or 4 days left of the giveaway. So if you haven't entered, it's a $500 beauty giveaway, and the link is below. The link to Her Fit Club is below as well. So, it's taped really well. So it's wrapped up nicely in here. And on top, the first thing I see is just like a sticker for Her Fit Club. Probably threw in. And then, oh, there is some beauty. There is a face mask. This is what it looks like. It's the Pure Source Cell Sheet Mask, and it's acai berry. Awesome. I love sheet masks, like you know, so that's awesome. And it looks like there's a piece of jewelry in here as well. This looks like it's handmade. This is pretty cute, isn't it? It's a little bracelet. Man, Emmy is trying to get in the box. Emmy, what are you doing? And there's a little clasp on it. So I think that's cute. And then the main part, there is a matching workout set. So it looks like a bra and matching pants, and I love their sports bras. This is what it looks like. And then the back is, if you can see, is sheer, and as well as the front right here. And it has the nice band too. So this is by, is it Mana or Mana B? They feature this brand a lot in here, and I really like it. So this is like a suit, and there's some padding in here you could take out if you want for the cups. So this is super cute. I really like the color. And then there's leggings that go with it. Like, isn't this box awesome? Like this, it's so cute. Like, how could you not want to work out? And look at the legs. Okay, I feel like I'm too fat for these right now, but now maybe I've lost a few pounds with my keto diet. But look at how cute these are. And they match the bra, so you can wear a shirt too with it if you want, but you know, if you're confident, you could just rock the sports bra and the pants. But so cute. Wouldn't this make you work out more? I love it. Man, this doesn't seem too small. I'm gonna try and put this on. Oh, and there's a little pocket on the top, so you can like put your key in there if you're out for a run or something, which is super convenient. So yeah, this is totally awesome. I really like this month, whatever month it is. I love purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, so I'm super psyched. And I feel like the face mask goes with it because it's like purple berries. And then I think this is just like a little add-on. They threw in this little bracelet, which I think is cute. And the sticker, which I don't really use stickers, but you know, they're just advertising for themselves. I understand that. So I'm just going to set this aside so I can grab the giveaway items to show you today. So I have 2, and I think they're both valued at $22 each. So the first is a So Susan Afterglow highlighter. And at first I was like, did I show you guys this already? So I'm sorry if I did. I think it was another highlighter because there's a few highlighters in the prize package. But the second thing is a foolproof Aiko eyeliner. And I actually got this in a recent box and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it or not. I do have another one, so it's for one of you guys. And I believe this is $22 as well. So this is the Aiko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. And I've heard good things about this. I haven't really used eyeliner in a while like this. I really want to start once I can finally wear makeup when my eye injury hopefully freaking heal soon. And So Susan, I use a highlighting stick by them and like it, and I like how it says cruelty free on the back. So yeah, lucky winner will get these and a lot of other goodies valued at least $500. So make sure you sign up if you haven't yet, and thank you as always for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.